What's up, Prodons? It's Ariel de la Cruz, and for today's video, I am going to show you on how to make a do-it-yourself electroscope. But before that, here are the materials that we need. The first material that we need is a jar with some jar lid. Next is a scissor, some plier, a copper wire, aluminum foil, some cotton fabric, and of course, a face shield. This is optional. You can use some ruler, some pipe. It depends. It depends on what thing you need to rub for your electroscope. But for me, I'm going to use this face shield. The first step is to get the jar lid and make a hole on it. Make sure that the copper wire should fit it. And it should be look like this. It fits. After that, get the jar lid with a copper wire on it and make a spiral. And it should be look like this. Make a hook at the bottom of the jar lid for the aluminum foil called leaf. Cut the aluminum foil into 2 pieces. And make a hole on it. And it should be look like this. Put the aluminum foil called leaf on the hook. And it should be look like that. Put the jar lid on the jar and do the rubbing of the fabric to the face shield. This should be the outcome of your electroscope. So here's a tip. Rub fast until it gets hot for good results. For the 7th step, place the face shield into the spiral copper wire. The reason right here is when you rub the fabric in a face shield, electrons will transfer into the face shield down to the copper wire and the aluminum foil. So if we have negative charges on the face shield down to the copper wire and into the aluminum foil, negative charges repel negative charges. So the aluminum foil repel each other. And that's how it works. One thing I've learned about doing this electroscope is to have patience. Yes, I use different jars, different bottles, a lot of copper wires with different things to rub, but still didn't work. It took me days before I achieved it. And yes, I achieved it because of my patience. All you need to do is to trust yourself, believe in yourself, and always think like a proton. Stay safe and God bless. Thank you for watching.